What is up, everybody? This is Hunter with Lost Socket Garage. Wanted to take a quick second and walk you around our 67 that we just finished. You'll notice that he has 68 quarters on there, so stay out of the comments saying, but wait, that's a 68. We use 68 quarters the majority of the time, even on 67s, because it makes it easier to throw in these scoops. So he did Shelby, uppers, lower scoops. We have the Shelby deck lid, quarter panel extensions, as well as the metal tail panel from Dynacorn. We only use Dynacorn products as far as metal is concerned. We've found that they're the very, very best from a fitment standpoint and saves you all a lot of time on labor. So this may not be much to look at right now, but I'll show you a couple of cool things about this. You'll notice it's got Fox body wheels on it. I actually love these wheels on a classic Mustang, but if we walk around here, here's the big part that sets this car apart. This is a 5-liter out of a 96, I believe, Ford Explorer. The whole drivetrain is out of a Ford Explorer. So 5.8, it really, really rips. We actually did a new fuel pump and fuel tank in this so that it ran a little bit better, plumbed all that up. The wiring's a little bit shoddy, but you know, the owner is going to be taking care of that. I'll let you guys listen here in a second when I start it up. We did new glass all around. This is actually authentic Fastback glass. I have a couple of sets if anyone is interested, and you can tell that it's authentic Fastback glass because of this little gray stripe. With your remanufactured glass, typically they're not going to have that stripe that follows the body line all the way down. I love this car, but the best thing about this car is the way it sounds. So we should go ahead and start this up. This thing is awesome. It hauls, it stops, which is also very important. So once the owner of this is done and he gets it painted, man, this thing is going to be a total monster. So there's your quick walk around of the 67 that we just finished, /68 quarters. If you have any questions about doing a conversion yourself or want us to do a conversion, feel free to hit us up on Facebook, Instagram. If you haven't subscribed on YouTube yet, it's really, really helpful for us, for a small shop like us. Let us know if you have any questions. Till next time, peace.